Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Fixed Taha M here. And about the 10k account, we passed the phase 1, so make sure you are in my Telegram and in my Twitter. So let's break down this market. As you can see, this is our last prediction in DXY. We predicted to push to the upside, but we predicted to first push to the downside and then to the upside, but it was uh, correct and the prediction was awesome. So let's break down this week. As always, we start in daily time frame. So in daily time frame, as you can see, we are bullish. So we are waiting to long position as in good areas like this order block here. So we are going to the 4H to see the trend as like daily. So in the 4-hour time frame we are bearish because this is our last low of our uptrend and we had close below it, so we are bearish, but we can have the push to the downside like this and then have a chalk and then interlong to go to the upside. Let's move to the XAU-USD. As you can see, this is our last prediction on XAU-USD. We had this FVG here. We predicted to have a chalk here in 15 minutes or 30 minutes, and then have a push to the down upside. As you can see, we had the chalk here on 30 minutes, chalk, and have a pullback here and push the upside. And this is the trade that I passed my phase 1. 10k phase 1, so it was great. Move to the this week. So on daily, as you can see, this is our last lower low, lower high, and higher high. So we are bullish. We are going to the 4H. 4H we are bullish. This is our last lower low here, lower high. So we are waiting for pullbacks, and we can enter in this order blocks and in these Fiji. Why? Let me explain. Because um, we didn't grab this liquidity on this order block, so this can be good, and also we can induce this area of liquidity, so it can be great to enter here and also here. Why is the Fiji? Because when you have a massive move like this, uh, in FVGs you can enter very good trades because you are so bullish like here, and you can enter. But if we have a retracement to this area and below this FVG, we won't enter with this order block. Why? Because when we have this great push to the upside and then push to the downside so quickly, we need to grab some liquidity, and the best liquidity here is this order block, and then this can happen if this or FBG didn't work for us. Let's break down the Euro USD. So Euro USD, this is our last prediction, last week prediction here. We predicted like as DXY2 have a push to the upside and then the push to the downside, but we didn't have the push to the upside, and we uh, decreased and have a good push to the downside. And as all this, our prediction was very good, so we can use it on this week prediction on Euro USD. As you can see, let me take this watermark here. As you can see, this is our prediction. Why? Because we are bullish. Why? Because this is uh, the last. This is the last high of our downtrend, and we have closed above it, and we didn't close below it. This shadow doesn't include an BOS, we must close. So we are bullish on 4H on daily time frame. We are bearish, as you can see. This is our last high of our down uptrend, and we are bullish like here. And on 1H time frame, we are also bullish. As you can see, this is the POS, and we are bullish. And so in two time frames we are bullish, and one time frame we are bearish. So we consider the two time frames here. So we are waiting for interest to go long, and our TP will be here, our final TP, and maybe with this liquidity here we can push to the downside. But as long as we didn't grab this liquidity here on 4H SSL, we are bullish. So the areas we are interested to enter this order block here, and also this order blocks here. Why this order block? And don't I consider the FVG here, because we don't have the push to the upside, like massive push, and so we don't enter with FVG, and we wait for order block, and that order block will be valid. But why this order block here? Like gold, we didn't use this liquidity here, but and if we have an inducement here, like this swing high, we can enter here on this order block with TP here and final TP will be here. So we are looking for bullish things. Let's go to the USD JPY. USD JPY, this is our last prediction. Our last prediction was here. We predicted like DXY and Euro USD to have a push to the downside, and then have it try and go to the upside, but we had the push to the upside. On daily time frame, we are, as you can see, bullish. Very bad. This is not a good thing for trade on daily time frame, especially on swing trades. Uh, but we are, as you can see, we are bullish. This is our trend here, our structure, and this is our order block here. We are bullish on 4H time frame. For our time frame, we are bearish because this is the last lower high of our uptrend, and we have closed below it, so we are bearish, and as long as we are in this area we are bearish. So we can enter shorts like this here, but we must analyze the 1H2 on a 1 hour time frame. We are also bearish. Why? Because this is also the last uh, high and low of our trend, so we are bearish, and we are looking for sells here. This is a good area to intersell because we didn't grab the liquidity here on this order block, and this FVG also. This FVG is good. Why? Because we had the good push to the downside, and it is not a massive push, but in the scale of percentage it's a good push. In a scale of pips it's a good push, so we can enter here and here. To short, open sell position, our TP will be a lower low here. Have a lower low here, and let's see what's gonna happen. And my prediction is we can pass the phase 2 this week, with especially this euro opportunity here, and this uh, gold opportunity here, because these are the best pairs to trade this week. And you're welcome. Bye bye. Remember, as always, patience pays.